Welcome to Dashcam Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to buy and set up a n8n hosting from Hostinger. So first, I will go to hostinger.com/deal now. This is my affiliate link. Using this link will support me create more content like this at no extra cost to you. So thank you for this. Okay, let's look for n8n. This is it, self-hosted n8n. Click on claim deal. Here they offer key VM1, 2, and 3, 4, and 8. Personally, I think that key VM1, by the way, I already have experience with the Hostinger n8n, and I think that key VM1 is enough for me. And I think it will be enough for the majority of beginners unless you already have working workflows and you know what you are looking for. So I will go with this. I will get one vCPU cores, 4 GB RAM, 50 GB on NVMe disk space, and 4 TB bandwidth. I think I'm not sure if they offer a free Dutch. They offer a free Dutch cloud domain for 1 year. Okay, click on choose plan. At this time, I think that the 12 months period is enough for me. And for the server location, the closest one is France, by the way. Automatically, they show you the best server location for your case. In my case, France is the nearest one. And here, make sure to go with n8n. Let's look for, yes, n8n. And I recommend you to go with this type of n8n that gives you plus 100 workflows. Click on confirm. Workflows are when you go with more than 100 workflows type of n8n, you get ready to use workflows that help you start automation right away without having to set up your workflow manually. Okay, click on continue. Here I will register a new Hostinger account to keep things separated and organized. Fill in your billing name. Click on continue. For the payment method, I will use my credit card instead of PayPal. Your payment is done. Let's go set up your services right away to start using them. Click on get started. Here, secure your VPS access, set a root password, and optionally add an SSH key for extra protection. I will simply click or create a root password. Click on next. Do you want to add this additional feature, malware scanner? Since it is free, I will go with it. And they are now setting up my VPS. This will take about 5 minutes. Feel free to leave this page. You'll get a notification once your VPS is ready to go. While they are setting up my VPS, let's check the emails messages I've received. The first one is verify your email address. Verify your email address to get started. So, okay, click on verify. I need to log in using my email address. Click on login. And this is my account. As you see, they are still setting up my account, my VPS. Right now they are installing the operation system. Let's check the VPS. As you see, they are still creating it for me. Let's check the second email message, the order summary. 1 year for this price, total paid. Well done, you're ready. And from here, I can manage the n8n app from here. Let's set up an owner account for specifically for n8n. Let's fill in my email address, first name, last name, and the password. Click on next. Customize n8n for you. What best describes your company? Okay, education, what roles? Business owner. For myself, how big event or Google, for example. Get started. Get paid features for free. Just receive a free activation key for the advanced features below. Advanced debugging, execution, search and tagging, and folders. Just fill in your email to receive your license key. Click on send me a free license key. This is very important. This is their way to get your email address, but the activation code is worth it. This is the key. Copy it. Where is it? Check your email to find it, then head over to usage and plan to activate your license. Publish it. Enter activation key, hit activate. License activated. Your registered community edition has been successfully activated. And now let's go back to the home page of the n8n. And as you see, those are the workflows. For example, let's look for respond to WhatsApp messages with AI. Let's open this workflow. And as you see, this workflow comes with information to let you know how to use it, or a manual guide. As you see, all the steps or the nodes are ready to use, or are not ready to use, but are not ready to set up. I think you need to click on the node, fill in the credentials, create a new credentials, and you can start using this workflow. Let's check the other workflows. For example, this WooCommerce support agent. Same thing. There are a manual or how to use this workflow explanations. This is the agent. This is the WooCommerce order tool. It triggers with this is what triggers this workflow. Find WooCommerce user ID, get orders, check orders found, add DHL tracking information, and then send a response to the customer. And this is how to get Hostinger, and this is how to get n8n hosting from Hostinger. If you still have a question, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget that my affiliate link, which is hostinger.com/deal now, is in the description. If you have a question, you can leave it in the comments below, and I will do my best to reply. Thank you, and see you in the next video.